Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the error invalid input on the Paramount Plus app. So if you're getting this error code, the first thing you want to do is head into the App Store and then search for Paramount Plus. You want to see if there's any updates available. If there is, it'll say update here on the Paramount Plus page. If there is an update, update Paramount Plus. Then, if there's an update and you've done it, try logging back into Paramount Plus. If that doesn't work, what you want to do then is come to the main page and then head into your settings. Once you're in your settings, come down to General. Then within General, you want iPhone storage. You want the iPhone storage page to load. Then come all the way down and find the Paramount Plus app. Then you want to offload the app. Then offload the app again. This will sort of refresh the whole app. Then you want to reinstall the app. Once it's reinstalled, this will be pretty quick. You want to try logging back in to Paramount Plus and see if it's fixed the problem. If it hasn't, what you want to do then is delete the app. This will completely delete the app off your system. Once you've completely deleted the app, you want to head back to the App Store and then re-download Paramount Plus. Again, Paramount Plus isn't a big app, so it shouldn't take very long to install. Now you want to try to log back in, and that should fix the 6040 error code. You will have to accept all the terms and conditions again. So that's how to fix the app error invalid input. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.